What's up? How are you? Pamik Doodle. Huh? You can brush your teeth. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? This is Mail Car right here. And we are the dudes from
Hot Wheels CollectorsHawaii.com.
There we go. So right now we're gonna be busting this open. I actually this time I know what it is, and I don't know the correct way how to say this, but some guys say it different ways. So when he pulls it out, I'm just gonna say, oh, this I like the way that this is wrapped. First off, okay, you can see the Dub City, so you know it's Jada, or is it Jada, or is it Hada, or is it Hada? Ooh, what? That's not sounding good, bro.
It's all gonna come falling out.
Oh,
So I'll just turn it
I thought that was a ooh, it's boss up, ooh.
Okay, so you can't really see the top of the box. But...
No, you can see, like, yeah, right there, good.
Okay, so we'll just go this way then.
So since you was ignoring me when I was asking you a question, how do you think it said?
Jada.
You think so?
Yep. That.
Of course that's good, because I got fantastic freaking taste.
The first one right out of the box. Huh?
Ooh.
That one's nice.
Ooh, so nice. We got to look at them twice, bro.
Good thing I showed you, huh?
What?
This one has posted on it.
What does it say? Oh.
Rough package.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
But it does look better than what it looked like on eBay, so
yeah,
that is nice.
Hell yeah, it looks hell of a lot better about it. Let's look at them again one more time.
Oh, here's
bing,
mine.
look at that.
I know this is mine. There it is.
Yep.
It's gonna be my first diecast notchback. Yeah. And this is not a Jada, is it?
It is a Jada. Oh, it's a Maisto.
Maisto. Yep. That.
Or is it a Maisto?
Oh no. I believe this is mine. Because this one says it's yellowed. But
oh, what is that stuff? Oh,
the
label.
Okay, so I didn't set up the
Like, see?
label correct.
Yeah, what the hell, dude? Screwing up. Oh, oh, this color is actually. I didn't see this on you, dirt rag. You steal this again from my guys.
Yeah.
Just. Oh, that one is nice
That
too.
one is nice.
Oh, that one I saw. Is it?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that color, bro. So really blue. Always hoeing off my people, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, look at that. And I got some good stuff. Look at my Camaro.
Oh,
See, look at that.
the only reason why that thing is good because that's my taste. Ooh, look at that Camaro, nice and green. Oh,
32 Ford.
and that goes well with this one.
Yep. Good thing I showed you, huh? You only wanted one of them out of here.
Okay, that'll give you. That'll give you. Oh, that is.
Or else you wouldn't have had all this
freaking
cool
nice.
mess. Oh yeah. I don't collect Corvettes, but when I do,
Dude, you're so
badass.
full of bull dung, bro. You know that. I don't collect this. Every time you keep buying stuff you don't collect, bro. I hate to see the stuff you collect.
I don't collect Corvettes, but when I do, they look like this.
That's a nice color, bro. And it matches
Bad
matches
to the bone.
this mock. Look at that mock too, bro. Look at that.
And that's why I got them, because they look very similar. Oh.
I didn't see this mock, bro. This one I didn't
I
see.
meant not to show you that. Whoa.
Yeah, because you're a dick.
Oh yeah. But I got nice cars.
Because of me. If I didn't find this guy, you'd have never known. You lucky I have no life.
Yeah, but you never go look, so I found them if you never look.
I found the guy.
Cool.
See what happens when you don't have a life, bro? You just surf on eBay all day.
Wow.
Huh? This is the kind of cool stuff you find. Actually, this dude was pretty good, bro. He packed it well. And you know what? He even labeled stuff that was yellowed, rough corners. And, that's pretty good. I mean, you know what? For the guys that actually do stuff like that, you know what I mean? That's awesome, bro. You know what I mean? Not like the other douche rags that we got that don't even say nothing and send broken stuff. No refund, no returns.
Oh, I can't wait to get these open.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
In fact, why don't we open them
open.
today, bro? Talking shit.
I gotta lock. I gotta figure out. Make sure I have a place to store them first.
You're not gonna open them, you guys. Look too nice.
No, I do want them open. I want to make sure I know where I can store them first.
Well, you know what? This Jeep or the Maisto looks a little smaller than the Jada, yeah?
Yeah, it is a little smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jada made their stuff. I don't know if it's true on 64 because it's kind of big.
Killing, man. Look at that, bro. Oh, brah.
That is a nice color.
Frick yeah, man. Candy cobalt blue with flames. Jada know how to make cars, but I'll give them that much.
So I got 2 Corvettes, a notchback, and a Mach 1. Okay. This was good.
Oh, hell yeah. This had some good stuff, bro.
Wait till you see what you didn't see. I bought separately.
That's okay. I know you're trying to piss me off. It won't work. I'll just get mad and bend something else of yours.
You think this one is nice? Wait till you see the one that he put up after. This one is nice, though.
Yeah.
That one is nice.
And this yellow one actually is, when I looked at it really good, it was actually nice. Too bad they didn't have the purple one on the card. That would be cool. But you know what? This yellow one is pretty cool, too.
Yeah.
It pops, man. Look at that. Well,
so since that one says it's yellowing, then it's no, it's not yellow. It's
yours one. Yeah, yours.
This is a rough package.
Rough package.
You're
yeah.
gonna open this?
I think I might. You know, look at that.
Yeah, that one's a little too tall to fit in the close up.
Yeah. All right, too. So we're gonna do them in this one. But this is nice.
Let's get some light on it.
Look at that. Ooh, candy green, but you don't see too much of these, bro.
Yeah.
Nice. These colors are just as scrumptious as the Spectra Flames, man. But you know what, Jada, they make their cars. I like how Jada makes their cars because it's fully modded. You heard Jada, so maybe you should sponsor us, guys. Let it. I just read the book, The Art of Kissing Ass.
Well, is Jada still putting out stuff?
I don't know. I don't know.
Because the closest I can see...
Because I know they do like the metals and the JDMs, but I don't know if they're putting out any more rods, bro.
The closest I can see from Jada now is... See the logo?
Yeah.
It's on.
Yeah. Metals diecast.
So
Jada, you know, you guys put out some really awesome stuff. Bust out some more. You know, keep the price down though, but you know, bust out some more. but still make them good like that.
Okay, well, let's close this one out and we're doing unpackaging.
Wow, this is just
cracking open after this.
This is like all because all of them are all nice. So, all right, we're done with this, and we're gonna like drool over our cars because we're like all happy, both of us, because they came well. The guy sent it pretty good, packed it well, labeled it, and you know was a no BS individual. So cool, bro. You know what I mean? And like and subscribe. Thank you everybody for watching our videos. We will continue on and on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Know it, love it, live it.